In preparing for the hurricane season, we are the ministry that is responsible for providing supplies right before and during and after a disaster, after an event. So we want to make sure that our people are ready, our community is ready from Corozal to Toledo. Essentially, that was the purpose of our meeting today. Bear in mind that in addition to emergency duties as a part of NEMO, this ministry is also responsible for all of the social protection and social work in the communities. So we have to find a way to strike a balance in responding to these emergencies, but also keeping with our core duties.
Well, NEMO provides oversight to the national committees. So our job is to coordinate and integrate our work plan to ensure that the objectives that we are targeting in terms of readiness, so that each committee reaches to a particular level of preparedness, that once we have to go into action, we know that we have a group of persons who would be on the ground representing these committees, taking actions that would bring goods and services to people in times of disaster. The meeting was to fine-tune the national readiness for the Relief and Supplies Committee to ensure that the key issues were identified and some solutions were established, so as we move forward into the hurricane season, we become better at what we do in terms of being ready to provide services for the people of Belize.